It's Sicard RV's Tech Tip Tuesday. Today's tech tip topic is awnings. Your awning is an important part of your RV, trailer, or motorhome to help protect you from the powerful sun rays. But remember, your awning is only a sunshade, not a rain shade. Make sure to never leave your awning out unattended in the rain or high winds. If the awning does get wet, make sure to give it time to dry before closing it up to ensure there is no mold buildup. High winds can cause lots of damage, including rips, bends, and breaks. Make sure to watch the weather and close the awning should there be any high wind warnings. This has been Tech Tip Tuesday. Stay tuned for more tech tips every Tuesday.